I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. Great day trading today, just in 35 minutes. Made about 52 bucks in just 35 minutes. Traded MU, that was Micron, and next one was Visa that I've been trading almost every day, my day trading account. So nice way to end the green today. Just 35 minutes of trading and got in, got out really quick. So traded that on the big jump and then took the rest of the day off. Just was looking at the markets, didn't see any other solid setups forming, so just stayed on the sidelines. Held my options calls that I still have that I'll talk about soon. Before we get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my future videos, and make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on a social media right here. Alright, so first one I took was MU, and second was Visa. So I'll show you why I saw potential in that. MU on Thursday, or today's Thursday, so Tuesday, we saw the big drop. They had that news with China, so you see that big drop all the way from 54 down to 50. So tested that 50 support, didn't break below, came back up. So we saw the huge jump, a lot of big buyers, a lot of big blocks buying on aftermarket and pre-market. So we saw it jump all the way back to 53.50 and then came down a little. So I saw it, I waited a little, waited for the 53 break, and then came down again. So got it at that 52.85, went to 53.10, came back down, so added on another 100 shares, so it was 200 shares, and then sold it around the 53.10 break. And that was that nice profit on that. And again, Visa, I'm trading this basically every single day. I love the pattern on this. Recently it's been pretty sluggish, finding that range and not moving above, but today it finally broke out of that range towards the close. Saw a nice buying in the market, and I'll show you why I saw potential in this one, in this trade as well. So I was getting in around, let's see, 132.10 area, yeah, 132.14, and then my profit target was 132.4. I was looking for that breakout and then sold it there. So mainly, VWAP was around 132.30, 35. So I was looking for that 35 breakout, and then I saw it jump to 40. So I took profits immediately, got out, and then closed that trade immediately. So I missed it a couple times. Looking at the daily 5-minute candle right here, it came down to below 130 or close to 132.10 support, and then came back up and came back down. So I waited patiently on this, and then as soon as it came back down again to 132.10 area, jumped in on that. Saw the spike and sold it for a quick profit. And that was 100 shares as usual that I do. So that was a nice way to end the day trading, just in 35 minutes on that. And I saw Joshua started day trading. He actually got my promo discount on that and started day trading with me, and he was able to cash that MU and Visa trade with me as well. So I alerted the Visa trade as it was a little slower, but I didn't alert the MU in the day trading alerts on the text section, but alerted in the voice chat. So guys, make sure to join that voice chat if you're a membership. If you have a membership plan, then I do have the day trading alerts on there, so you can trade on there. And also, once we get more people who are more interested in day trading, I'll be doing a screen share as well, so it's easier for you guys to see what I'm looking at, the charts I'm looking at, and to also get the alerts. Alright, next thing, let's go do a market recap. So looking at S&P 500 today, very jumpy today. So came up a little in the morning, was trying to break over that 272.50, got rejected, came back down, tested 272 support right here, and then broke below, went all the way down to 271. So didn't break 271. So that was a good sign. Bounce off the 271 support, and then I knew it was into the afternoon. I alerted this in the chat room that we'd see more of a nice jump afternoon. Exactly played out just like I planned, and as I analyzed, so breaking out over that, and then broke all the way up to 273, and right now aftermarket 273.20, still going up in the aftermarket. So very good sign. Again, this could be a pump and dump, could be a bull trap, so I didn't take any more positions. I'm just holding my positions right now. Right here you can see Bank of America, CME, and Visa. I'm holding those for long term and have some swings on those, but I'm not taking any more trades. The only thing I called out today was MU. If anybody caught that, that was great potential for a long call. So it's Micron 21st September 55 call, and I was looking for low 52s, and then saw Micron actually came back down, saw profit taking into low 52s right here, so that's why I alerted it. So 52.20, anywhere in that 52 to 52.30 is a very good range for buy for that long-term call. But again, tariffs going to affect at 12:01 a.m. on a lot of those. You can see it on CNBC. Look it up, tariff news. So looking for markets to potentially pull back if it's negative tomorrow, but I do see markets running up if everything goes well tomorrow. So looking for another Friday run, looking for another quick profit, doing some day trading and stuff. Alright guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified, and make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media. And if you do want to receive these live trading alerts, whether it's swing trading, investing, day trading, we cover all of them, options trading, make sure to go down, and then you can get a 1-week free trial to test out the chat room. But if you're interested in joining the membership, you can go to the membership tab and then join our plans. These are month-to-month plan pricing, no contracts, something like that, so you can join and leave whenever you'd like. So these are month-to-month plans. Alright guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you later this week.